What's up, Virgo Nation? Welcome back to another video. Liz gone off to work already, so today it's all about me and the girls at home. Daddy on duty, you know. We can already hear them over the monitor. Most of them wake. So the first thing, as usual, is to feed them. So right now I'm about to get up, wash my face, brush my teeth, and start the day. I don't know about nobody else, but for me, nowadays waking up is one of the hardest things to do. Go bed late and then I feel up early. Because the girls are up early sometimes. Sometimes then we sleep a little bit longer. But unpredictable sometimes. But I have to do what I have to do. That's why I have to respect mothers so much. Alright, see you. Yeah, so now that's out the way, I can go and make them feeding now. I prefer making them feeding before I go around there. As I reach in the kitchen, a whole heap of things start flow back to my mind. I remember the first day, we used to just open some like a buckle, and I think them buckle they would come with some nipple and thing too. I think it was the same kind of infamil. I just feel like, oh, life I got easy, all we need to do is just open them buckle now and just feed them. No, things change now. We start make feeding. After a while it get easier. The more I do it, and the easier it gets. So yeah. The part what kind of worried me was the measuring thing. Make sure it's like 2 cups of water. No. Foolishness me I say. Like if it's 2 ounces of water, then it's 1 scoop of the infamil. And if it's 4 ounces, then it's 2. Yeah, the maths there. That used to puzzle my brain if you always remember that. Nowadays it get so easy. So I watch my girls they move from like 2 ounces to now 6 ounces. It's amazing. But them thinking I really last for a long time neither. Guys, because I told them everything in a double. And just like that, breakfast is ready. Good morning. How are you? Hey. Hi, how are you? How are you doing this morning? You are looking so beautiful. Yes. Who wants to go first? You want to go first? Hey, you want to go first? Let's do this, girls. Yes, we can do it. We can do it. I'll be back. Who wanna go first? Hey, what are you doing? Leave my camera. That's my camera. Leave it alone. And there's one thing I have to commend these girls for. They're super patient. You know? They'll wait on me to feed one of them, then feed the next one. It will make sounds like these, right, baby? Alright, you're next, okay? Sometimes it even puzzles me. I say, how may I feed one and the next one don't cry? And this is that, it's been like this since day one, to be honest with you. They're very patient. How was your sleep? Was it good? It was? Yes? Did you dream about mommy and daddy? And your sister? Yes? Wow, that's nice, baby. That's so good. And your sister is gonna be finished in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, count with me, 3, 2, 1. Well, let's go again. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, count, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yay! Good job, mommy. Yes, she's done. Good job. Yeah. No, wipe him up, baby. Good girl. Wow. Who's up next? Your turn. How you feeling? Feeling good? Tummy full? Okay, I understand. Babe. Tummy full. Alright. Good girl. Come. Good girl. Alright. I'm gonna try something else. Can I ask her why she don't want to eat? Ask her, yes. Ask her. Your sister is talking to you. What? What? You don't want? You need to eat. Talk to her. Yes, tell her. She's talking to you. You hear that? You hear that? She's saying you should eat your breakfast. She's trying to get your attention. Don't be like that. You need to eat. She's trying to get your attention. She's telling you to try and eat. You don't want her to touch you? Alright. Leave her alone, baby. Let's try again. Come. We're gonna do this one last time. Come on. Now we're good. So I guess we just have to wait until later. Till they're really hungry. So there's this little reading culture we've been doing from day one. Yeah, so we're gonna do that this morning. We do this every morning after we feed them. Before them get to see any TV at all. Let's go, baby. When you're skillful like this, at least can read the book to the two of them one time. I don't know how to do it. Like hold both of them, read the book. You know, I have to do it my little way. Are you ready, baby? You ready to read? Let's try reading since you don't want feeding. The snow is cold. Look. The cocoa is hot. Yes. Babies love opposites. The bunny is in. The end. Yay! Hey! No. You know the problem with the name on you. Alright. Let's go out to the front. Yeah! Let's go. It's time. I have to give them program now. Just look at their reaction as soon as I put it on their program. Alright. Quiet. Everybody happy now.
A few moments later.
Guess who's eating now? Finally. I just feel like she's not having a good day today. She don't want to talk to anybody. Greatest thing is that to drink our tea. Are you feeling better now? Feeling better? No? Want to go play with your sister now? Yes? Alright. But there, just imagine if them get Jamaican artists to do some ad-libbing of them singing. Yeah. Country miles loud. Whoa. Yeah. What yo? See the mouse, they were very good friends. Next tune. Down by the bay, where the watermelons grow, back to my home, I dare not go, for if I do, my mother will say, heaven, down by the bay, down by the bay. Come on, church, watermelons go, back to my home, I dare not go, cause if I do, my mother will say, woo, woo, down by the bay.
A few moments later.
What time you come?
Alright. I'm 4 o'clock at the restaurant when I go.
Wow. 4. remember, like in the earlier part, some of my friends would call, and families too, they would call and say, so I go on now, and me just say, like, me don't want me to baby them. He said, oh, you and Liz? And I said, no man, Liz, you wanna work. Then I say, what? So, who are you there? I said, me and the baby them alone. And I wonder how I manage, but to be honest with you, I wouldn't even take credit for that. But that's something I learn well, and you know, I feel like my patience level kind of grow to a decent level. And the truth is, these girls, honestly, they're just very good babies who, you know, unless they're hungry or need to change, or them probably just sometimes are tired, want to sleep. And the only time I hear them cry, you know, they're very, very good babies. All babies are good, but maybe good is not the right word. They're just well-behaved babies. Yeah, so while they watch cartoon, I'll try to see if I can straighten up the room and thing. First thing when the baby poop, and you never know, take her up and I feed her at the same time. Oh gosh, you couldn't tell me? I wonder a while ago. And you laugh? That wasn't a laughing matter. Coming, baby.
A few moments later.
Welcome home.
Thank you.
Oh my gosh. I'm so happy you're home.
And my time now?
As I reach the pandit.
Oh,
alright.
God. First thing first, man.
Baby. I love you.
I love you too, babes.
Okay. And guess what?
What?
You're on duty.
Babes, I'm tired.
Duty calls.
So, one kind of love babysit.
Well, I love it, but there comes a time when, you know, the mother has to take over.
Even if she tired?
Oh, get about 5 minutes rest and then up again.
My machine.
Right, man.
You're right, about me.
Well, you just get up a man time and do your thing and just come back on time to pick up where you left off.
Yes, slave master.
Oh man, good father.
You have to do what you have to do, yeah?
Yeah, it's about that time. We're getting ready for bed.
You don't know ready for
Yeah.
bed.
We are getting ready for bed, right, girls?
Like somebody gone in entirely, you know.
We're too tired. I just put on no disturbance sign on my crib. And the chair was gone.